Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install depth effect lock screens on your any Galaxy device, and this is absolutely free. Guys, actually in previous days I make about depth effect lock screen for your Galaxy device. Okay, first let me show you this lock screen. Look at this. I reviewed this lock screen in previous video. Guys, in this app, many of beautiful depth effect lock screen, but many of awesome lock screens are paid like this. Look at this. Many of beautiful lock screens are paid, and if I go to studio option, in studio option also many options are paid, and you can't customize free lock screen on this app. Look at these, many of customization options also paid, even date setting also paid in this app, and only basic option and date option, these two options are free on this app. Look at these, many of preset lock screens paid in this app. But today in this video I'm going to show you how to set depth effect lock screen free with all customization options, with all preset lock screens completely free. And look at this guys, this app, first you have to download this app on your Galaxy device. This app free and download link available on description. Look at this, this is different apps, both apps are different. Okay, first open this app. After open, guys, look at these, many beautiful preset lock screens and complete lock screens are free. Many different lock screens with different clocks. Look at this. Simply tap on apply effect, and look at this. Simply set wallpaper, home screen, lock screen, or both home screen and lock screen. Look at this. Now let me show you customization option. Okay, tap and simply tap on edit depth wallpaper, and look at this guys, complete options are unlock, complete, free, basic, position. You also reset options like this, transform option, rotation, reset, gradient option, enable gradient option, border. Look at this border around clock, shadow option, and date options completely free in this app. Let me show you another clock. Okay, look at this clock, font size, I increase and decrease font size. Now also set colors. Look at this. Enable border, and you also set border color, shadow, now simply tap on done button, set this lock screen, and guys, look at this. Okay, let me show you how to disable system lock screen. Simply edit your clock. First, tap and set transparency. low transparency, tap on done and hide this system clock like this. And you also set these beautiful depth effect wallpapers with all customization options in this app. Look at this, many of beautiful categories available also in this app. If you go to setting, you also turn off dark mode of app UI. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.